What is up, everyone? A quick video here to share with all of you on this error message that I'm getting on the left side of the screen there on my iPad. Some items not imported, one or more items are not supported by Photos and cannot be imported into the library. I am simply trying to copy over some JPEGs using the built-in Files app on my iPad into the Photos app. There is nothing wrong with my photos, I know that. So let me just show you real quick what I have here. I have the iPad Pro 13-inch M5. I have an external SSD drive by Crucial. This is an 8 terabyte drive that's formatted in APFS. All of my stuff has been tested and is 100% working. These are normal JPEG photos, and I purposely caused that message to come up. This message is tied to several things that can go wrong, compatibility and things like that, but I know exactly what my issue is, so I'm going to share it with you because it might be your issue as well. So all I did here was I was like copying stuff over, and I stepped away, closed the lid, and it clicked and went into its little sleep mode or whatever it does there. And this is where I ended up coming back in here and getting this error message. So when I go here and I try to drag this stuff over, drag the photos over, eventually here in a second it's going to come up and it gives me this dang error message. How you fix this is you literally have to uncheck everything, go all the way out to where you can see where your drive's plugged in the Files app, like in this browse screen. So my drive is showing right here, it's backup media APFS. I'm going to go ahead and just unplug this thing and give it a chance to disappear off the screen. And then I am going to go ahead and close out of the Files app. I have some different windows open here. So I'm gonna go here and just make sure that, yep, the File app, it's closed out. So I'm gonna reopen the Files app now. And then I'm gonna jump back to that screen browse and I'm gonna replug in this drive. I'll give it a second there to pop up. Once it pops up, I'm gonna browse back in there to my 2010 folder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna select all of these JPEGs, and this one down here I'm not copying over. I'm just gonna tap down here and hold that and drag them over, and you'll notice right now they're all going to go in there instantly. What happens here, and I believe that some of you are probably experiencing the same thing that I'm experiencing with that, is when you copy stuff over, if this times out or it's been sitting a while, it might not always be like a compatibility issue. Try that and see if that corrects your issue, and leave me a comment if it does. That'd be awesome. I hope that this is a solution for someone out there. If you do end up watching this video and it helps you, leave a comment. If it don't, leave a comment. I just like to hear what you are experiencing as well. And I just want to say thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully you consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one.